This is our 9x48 Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower vertical mill with a Bridgeport Trak Plus control. So it's a 2-axis control, can also be used in manual mode. Give you a quick view. Control, head of the machine, 2 horsepower, quick switch spindle. Got a 9x48 inch table, real Kurt vise with swivel. The ways, very nice. Rest of the machine, auto lube. This is the tooling. Little bring on control. Jogging X. Which direction? Jump to Y. Gonna bring on the head. In low range. Switching to the high range. Bring the spindle on. Bring feet on. This is our 9x48 Bridgeport with the Bridgeport Trak Plus CNC control, in very good shape and ready to run. Thank you for watching.